Oh, I actually got a minnow. Check this out. I got a creek chub. On the creek chub it's got a big stripe on it. Can you see that? It's a big minnow. They have a big mouth. Very big mouth for a minnow. I took my lure, took my swim bait. See if I can get another. That big Sonny. Oh, right next to the log. Something should be there. There you go, there you go. I'm not grabbing it that fast for some reason. Oh, there you go. That's a nice red breast there. That's a nice red breast. That's a fine red breast. Check this out. That camera. That's a fine red breast sunfish there. For this little stream. Alright. Let's see if I can get one more. I hope this camera's still working. Is it still on? Yep. Let's see if we can get another one. Awkward casting, but holds a lot of little. Oh, this one. Oh, that was a bigger one. This was one. That was a little bit bigger. I got a 7-foot rod and I only have like, I gotta flip it on like this. Oh, 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 oh. There you go. Got it back. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, either a sucker or a trout down there. Oh, oh, here comes a big one. Please take it. There are some big ones in there. I think somebody's been fishing here. Got him. Oh, it's another minnow. Check the size of this minnow out. It's another creek chub. Get the size of this creek chub. They get bigger than this. This was the first minnow I ever ate when I was on a farm visiting some relatives. We ate these things. They were delicious. Very bony, but delicious.